lot of time here, but this is my normal drive-by. Or not my normal, my last one. I have my camcorder. I'm actually in a hurry because I have to get to my girlfriend's backyard with my tripod, which I know we all love that. But I promised one of my subscribers I would stop here and take proper footage, because apparently I flew right by a couple of real Sasquatches and did not even see them. So this is for her. Now I know up in this hole right here is a portal. I've always known that. And well, you'll see for yourselves. I don't really have to do much of anything. Now I just pulled up. I normally give them a few, like 10-20 minutes. Did you see that X just formed? To let them know I'm here, to give them time to get down, because they seem to rush when Debbie pulls up. Look at that X, perfectly formed in a matter of seconds. Okay, now I don't know, they're not coming. I mean, they'll be here, but not yet. So let's see what we got right here. I like the structure of that. These would be your little interdimensionals. Freaking cars. So, sorry. Also, this electric pole, which I totally forgot. This is the electric pole that the footage disappeared. I had caught, some of my viewers from Facebook will remember this, but because they were laughing at me. At the time, I was coming from the other direction, and I saw a bird fly away, and I saw a big goose fly away, or something like that, enough to draw my attention to stop and pull my film out. What I saw were these huge white birds. I mean, the size up to the one from the bottom to the top of one of them poles, which has got to be at least 8 feet. And that was just to their back. And they were pure silk white. What you can't see until you slow it down is what was around them, which were, I saw kings and queens being carried by people and animals, you know, from way back in the day. I mean, ancient stuff. Figures my thing's dying. Well, I'm not sure where she saw the Sasquatch, but I'll look around. Instead of looking for aliens, I'll look for my Bigfoots, which are aliens, but that's never, regardless, neither here nor there. She doesn't believe that, but that's okay, because I could be wrong. Not likely. Not likely, but you know, hey. Look, there are the interdimensionals right there. Putting on a show for me. What's that noise? Did you hear that? What is that? I hear this weird noise. Okay. Here you go. This is more than likely where they were. That's cool. Hello. I see you right there. But I'm not looking for you right now, sweetheart. I'll catch you on the way back. I'm looking for Sasquatch. Or, as we know it, Bigfoot. Oh, there you go. Good possibility. Not likely, but possible. Either way, it's some kind of entity, but I'm looking for something a little bigger than that. Watch, they'll come as soon as the battery dies. You can bank on that. And as with everything Bigfoot, that's what they do. Alright, this X moved way down to here now. You see that? Because you know what that X is? That's the portal bird. That's his feather or his wings straight up and his legs straight down. That's what the X is. Wonder what the delivery is. Oh, there's the delivery right there. Whatever that is. Right between his legs. You can barely see it. It must be pretty special if they're bringing it in by themselves. Look what's next to it. All that is the delivery right here. This whole thing, probably the whole tree. That's badass. Technically, there's a Bigfoot right there in that tree. 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth is all that is required to identify a Bigfoot. That came from the professionals. I don't personally believe it, but maybe to identify an alien, but not a Bigfoot. Where am I hearing this noise from? Oh, look at that. Right in front of us, that is moving independently. There's like a little people right here. So that's swinging in the back. I don't know, you know. I don't see anything today, but half the time I don't see anything until I get home, so. Which is why I'm all over the place. Oh, there's a possible Bigfoot right there in that tree. 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Ooh. Who's that? They're slippery little suckers. There's a galactical serpent right there on my right. We're in the right area. Wow, look at it. If there's going to be a Bigfoot, it's going to be right here. Guaranteed. That's a badass alien right there. That serpent, oh my god, he's huge. And gee, doesn't look like one of our trees now, does it? She saw them out of the trees, though. Which, honey, it's likely we're not going to find that, you know, in the winter. Serpents. Who we got there? I don't know why this thing hasn't died yet, but... that might be Bigfoot right there. Wrapped up. I keep my eyes on him. Both of them until it dies. Right there. That's the best I got. Meanwhile, I'm watching that hole up there. Alright, that's it. She's dead.